I am in Walmart in the car aisle. So this is really cool. This is NASCAR Shake and Steer. It's like a fake wheel toy. And if you actually touch it, you could feel it shaking when you hold it. It's $20. That seems new. We have some monster trucks. We have Hot Wheels, like you build it. This NASCAR truck. I've not seen this before. It's huge. It comes with some NASCAR cars, so you could play NASCAR. Bunch of trucks, obviously. Normal fire truck. These are Adventure Force. This is Disney Cars, but it's a Walmart truck, and they have like different kinds of trucks. I thought that was very cool. Maybe it's special for Walmart. This is Disney Cars collection. This is cool. This looks new, like the Disney Cars track that you can assemble, and you can put all your Disney cars on. They make all different Disney cars. And this is a submarine from Disney Cars. And then they have special trucks here, like a Cherry Coke truck, Coca-Cola, Harley Davidson motorcycle, lots of different cars, model cars. And then over here they have tons of remote control cars, big cars, really big remote control cars. This one's huge. Fast and the Furious, Spider-Man, so many different car options, Corvettes. And then we have a bunch of these specialty Hot Wheels, which I love. The Disney ones and the Mario ones. Collection. So lots and lots and lots of different cars, trucks. These NASCAR and Adventure Force like play sets. Matchbox play sets, Hot Wheels tracks, specialty Hot Wheels, specialty cars. There's Lightyear. Make sure to subscribe if you like my videos of toys and fun places.